Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Here I'll be having a market analysis on V100 index, as well as showing you guys how to approach the markets using price action analysis. So if you're new to the channel, please do to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And to my returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys for always engaging in my videos. It really means a lot. So let's get to it. So on V100 index, you have a market situation basically. So I would want us to have a look on it together. I would want us to analyze the market together. So whenever I want to analyze the market, I start from the higher time frame, weekly time frame preferably, so I can see the bigger picture of the market, so I can see the key levels and important zones in the market. So on the weekly time frame, we have these or we can see that the market has been on a long-term sell-off, so we have identified our market direction. That's the first step. The next is to spot our levels, our important zones in the market. Why is this zone identified right now an important zone in the market? Because you have seen that the market rejected at this point. The market came to this zone, bounced off this zone as a support here, a consolidation kind of indecision. Finally gave us a break below it, then retested it back as support, turned resistance. Remember, it was a support in the past, now turned resistance. We can see the market came to this zone and gave us a move to the downside, like sold off from this our level. Next is to look out for another level to check if we got another zone in the market, and we actually have one as well. We actually have another zone at this point. We have a zone at this point. So why is this our zone? Why is this level our zone? Another important zone in the market. We can see that the market reacted to this zone as a resistance here, finally broke above it. Then market has been trading above this our level of resistance, now turned support, because this level was acting as a resistance in the past. The market finally found its way above our level, turning the resistance level to a support level, because whenever a resistance level is broken, it automatically turns to a support level. So after the weeks and the days and months of the market trading above this our zone, the market finally found its way back to this our level, came to this zone and bounced off it like resistance turned support. That's why we got the market buy off from this our level. So what's the market situation basically? So we can see that the market is currently on this zone, like the market is currently approaching this our level of support that we had in the past. Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame to check the market formation or market structure on the daily time frame. So in daily time frame, we can see that we got levels as well, which we have to also identify. We have this level of resistance, level of support, turned resistance. Like we have this level, we have the market reacting at this level as a resistance. At this point, market reacted at this zone as a resistance, came to this zone, acted as a support. Like the market came here, bounced off this zone, finally retested this our level, like bounced off it again as a support. Then finally the market found its way to the downside, breaking this our support level. And whenever a support level is broken, it turns to resistance. So what are we to expect? There's a high chance of the market giving us a move back to this our zone, then selling off from this our level of resistance, because this level has automatically turned to a resistance. So, and there's a high chance of the market coming to this our support level to buy from this zone. So you have two major zones in the market to look at for trade opportunities on, which is on this level and on this level. But we can't basically trade on these levels on the daily time frame because of the nature of the V100 index, the volatile nature and all of that. So we have to consider going to a lower time frame. But you have actually seen the picture of the daily time frame. I have taken note of our zones. So let's go to the forward time frame to have a look on how the formation of the market structure in the forward time frame is. And so you can see on the forward time frame that you have this sell-off in the past days. Now the market has been giving us this sell-off after finding a break out of this our support level. The market has been selling off to the downside. So what's the market situation? Our point of interest is at this zone, at this particular zone. We have no interest at these levels or at this level at the moment, because the market is yet to get to it. So we have to focus on the current market level. That's our point of interest at this zone. We have to focus at this particular zone. So what do we expect, or what do we do or how do we approach the market at this level to look out for trade opportunity? We have to go to a lower time frame, and we have seen the market direction. The market is pointing to the downside, so there's a high chance of sells in the market than buys because we have seen the market direction. So we have to look out for sell opportunities if we are to see any good level to take our sells on. But let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see how the formation looks like. So at the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we got this zone, the market reacting at this zone as a resistance in the past, or currently now is still resistance, because I've seen the market reacting to this zone, selling off from here. Like market been selling off, then came to this zone, gave us these rejections at this particular zone. So this is actually telling us something, that this is an important zone in the market. And we have this our level as well that acted as a support, which we have to identify. We have this level that acted as a support because we saw the market bounce off this zone, came back here again and gave us this little push to the upside, then finally gave us a break below this our level to support on resistance. So there's a high chance of the market coming to this zone to sell off. So we have to look out for sell opportunities on this our level. You see how we were able to scale through to a lower time frame to look out for trade opportunities. So you have to watch closely on this level. You have to watch closely on price action movement on this level, or price action reaction on this our zone for sell opportunities in the market direction. We have two major levels for sell opportunity on the 1 hour time frame. We have this level of resistance and this level of resistance. So we have two resistance levels to look out for our good sell trade on. So on the 15-minute time frame, you can see the zones clearly. This level is being respected as support, market reacting on it. Now the market broke below it. So there is one common thing we have to look out for, is that sell opportunities, because a support level that is broken is automatically a resistance level or turns to a resistance level. So you have to watch closely on price action at this zone for sells, as well as this zone too for a nice sell trade. So that was how I approach the market, using levels and market direction. This is purely price action analysis. So if you enjoyed this video, please do to smash the like button and subscribe if you're a new viewer. And to my returning viewers, really appreciate you guys for always contributing to the growth of the channel. A big shout out to you guys. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.